Alright, good evening everybody. 46 Blitz 8 here for 643boxbreaks.com. It is Saturday night. It is 9:35 Eastern Time, or 8:35 Central. Saturday, June 21st. I'm doing my triple box, my triple stack of 2013-14 Playbook. So this is a Team Select multi, and here is the roster. So this is a YouTube reference number 382. It is a triple stack of Playbook. Check out the serial numbers in the listing that you bought, and I'll show you those serial numbers close up before I open up the boxes. So here's the roster. Ryan, you have got your Los Angeles Kings. Balloon is 87. I think you bought the last team. Thank you very much, PJ. You have the Capitals. Bummerboy, you have the Canadiens, Oilers, and the Avalanche. Codfishy, you have the Panthers. DJ Nell's Mommy, you have the Flyers, Senators, Leafs, Rangers, and your Devils. El Donko, you have the Tampa Bay Lightning. Linda Scouts got her Sharks. M26, you have the Flames and the Ducks. Paul, P123, PC, you have the Preds, Sabres, and your Bruins. Piranha Guy Dan, you have the Hurricanes, Stars, Jets, Wild, and the Jackets. Snickers Chris, you have the Yotes, Pens, and the Blues. Soccer Taz, you have the Islanders. The real Kennedy, guys, is the Chicago Blackhawks, and by mistake, the Detroit Red Wings. I always say that, Red Wings. It sounds like Elmer Fudd. And Tofu Hockey, last but not least, you have the Vancouver Canucks. That is the roster for this. So, we have triple box of Playbook to go. Hey Mike, just in time. The Detroit Red Wings. Okay, so here we go. This is put these boxes up here, so you can still see the 643boxbreaks.com world-class box breaking site. Here we go. First box of Playbook. Serial for the camcorder, 188, as listed in the listing that you bought. And for the XSplit video, 188. There we go. Everybody loves Playbook. And it's times 3. Good luck to y'all. And it looks like a single book in that one. It looks quite thin, actually. All right. Oh, let's go, brother. That's packaged. All right, starting off, we have his social signatures for Tofu Hockey and the Vancouver Canucks. It is Ryan Kessler at Ryan_Kessler for all those Twitter followers. Very cool. Starting off with Tofu Hockey. Go, first hit is yours. And we'll save the book for last, because it's a good one. Someone's going to be happy. All right, we have a base card of Ryan Miller for the Buffalo Sabres. Buffalo's property of Paul, P123. Ryan Miller base. Number 6 out of 249. And for, I'm assuming, doesn't actually say on the back. The player is Cam Neely. He plays right wing. And it is for, then and now. So this one will have to be randomed. Vancouver and Boston. Then and now. Not numbered. There we go. Retro Vancouver and Boston. Well, it never changes. There we go. 7-way patch. This is not numbered. There we go. That have to be random. So check out the random rules. I'll do that at the end. We use my NHL team deck to make a draw for that. There we go. A little bit of drama for that. It's a nice card. Cam Neely. Was he president of Hockey Ops for Boston? I don't think he's general manager. Might be wrong. What number is this now? This is number 868 for the camcorder. There we go. That's better. 868. And for the XSplit video, 868. Oh, he's a Prez? Okay. Didn't think he was a general manager. Not yet, anyway. Maybe he'll take over that role. All right, box number 2. Again, quite thin. All right, starting off for Jack and the Edmonton Oilers, we have a limited edition jersey of Taylor Hall, number 71 out of 99 for the Oil. That's property of Bummerboy. There we go. Next, we're going to skip that one. We have a base for the New Jersey Devils. That is DGNL's mommy. Jaromir Jagr, 104 out of 249. And I'm assuming this is for the Edmonton Oilers. It is Jordan Eberle. It is a prime. And he plays right wing. I don't know what it is. It is a signatures booklet, number 19 of 25 for the Oil. It's got a bit of a little nick there on the, a little bit of white you can see there. Right about there. I don't know if it'll show up on the camera or not. Maybe. Okay, there you go, nice prime of Eberle. Double prime jersey, acetate signature. Very nice. That is Jack's. Scoring number 19 of 25. That corner looks kind of all messed up too. Unfortunately, but chipping is quite common on this stuff. Jim Beauty. Kick Stave in a beauty. Alright, that's the comedy. Number 446 for the camcorder. The final box. Last chance for glory. Playbook. Only 3 to 4 cards in the box. High stakes, high rewards. Let's get a 4 card box. Double booklet or something. And looks like we got another, it's a little thicker. Maybe it's a 4 card copy. Let's hope. And not sure, but we'll see. All right. Starting off for, this is the real Kennedy and the Blackhawks. We have a breakout of Joachim Nordstrom, number 84 out of 199. Breakout jersey. There you go. There's your Hawk. And we'll skip that one because I think that's going to be nice. I think it's the right color to be nice. We have a base for the Chicago Blackhawks with, unfortunately, a bit of a paper roll there at the bottom. Corey Crawford base, numbered 86 out of 249. And this is going to Snickers Chris and the St. Louis Blues. We have a rookie, and it is gold. It is number 1 of 25, Dmitry Jaskin. Number 1 of 25. Oh, screensaver just came on. And what have we here? Bursting with prime jumbo prime jersey. You can see it actually doesn't close. Bursting with goodness for the St. Louis Blues, Dmitry Jaskin. Yaskin or Jaskin? I don't know. Double prime acetate signature for the St. Louis Blues, Snickers Chris. Congratulations. There we are. Bursting with goodness. All right, now we got to do the random. For the then and now of Cam Neely, Canucks and Bruins. So, by rule, my randoms are done with my NHL team deck. What I do is I shuffle and I cut. I start drawing off the top. Whatever card pops up first, Vancouver or Boston will win that then and now Cam Neely card. All right. Here we go. Here's honest. Here's everybody's calling for Ed. Here he is. Mr. Muscles, the muscle ref himself. Okay. There's the cut. Good luck. Boston or Vancouver, whatever pops up first. Wow. Honest Ed was very good to Vancouver. And that is Tofu Hockey. Congratulations to the Vancouver Canucks. Honest Ed was in your corner. All right. That was quick. And Boston is in here somewhere. There's Boston, so it was in the deck. But here, you can give Honest Ed a good smooch. Big smooch on the screen there for you. Tofu Hockey. So congratulations, then and now of Cam Neely. Let's take a look at it again. Pretty cool. Goes to the Vancouver Canucks by draw, random team draw. So, I thank you all for your support at 643boxbreaks.com. I hope to see you in the next auction, buy it now, multi, case, whatever your fancy, hit draft. We do it all. 643boxbreaks.com. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye now.